Morning everyone. Now I'm going to use some very cheap paints, cheapest I could get, and I'm going to use the cheap paper on the Hake palette, but I'll just do like doing a watercolour, so using these paints. You see the state it's in, but let's leave it like that. Okay. Now I'll start off with wet it. Oh, that's dirty. Dirty water. Crikey, oh, Lily. It's terribly dirty, that, isn't it? I did one earlier on, but I had to cancel it because there was a plane going over and it come very low and stayed low for a long time. We're making a racket. You know, so I abandoned it. Bit strong that, but I think it'll go a lot lighter. Buckling because I've got a painting on back of it. I did what I've ruined with that noise. Where are we up to? Oh, we'll just put a little bit of yellow ochre on it here. Not that, just a bit more. Oh, it's come in pieces. Through me rubbing at it. There we are, that, okay. Let's just pull a few words off it. The old brush is giving up. Oh yeah, never mind. What was we up to? Yeah, we said we'd do a bit of... I'll put some shadow in it, a bit of umber. Payne's grey and a bit of umber, say, something like that. And, well, I tell you what, let's make it... Get some strength in it. Let's not be afraid of a bit of strength. That's it. No. Put some water on here. I've not put any water on that. This is Sienna. Doing it in a Western fashion. If you let me stretch it a second. It's that cheap paper I told you about, which is I think is okay, but you have to just pull it like you're stretching it, and then afterwards, when you've pulled it like this to that corner wise there, and reclipped it, then when you herd right again, and it'll be fine. See if we can keep it a clean one. A bit of blue and a little bit of alizarin, eh? No, we want a bit of a greeny cast there, don't we? Eh? It's difficult, you know, with the big brush. We'll have to keep it wet. Now I just try and put something in here. Well, I think that's about it now. I've just dried it off, and I'm not going to do much more. It's an easy going type of thing. Now I've painted it a loose Western type, very, very, very loose indeed. But you still know what it is, don't you? You can tell what it is. Now that's what I've done for you today. That's it. I'll do a few in Western type if you like, and we'll leave it like that. It's not. It's an acquired taste, isn't it? Just enough Sussex scene, country scene, so it might be a little bit over the top the sky really. It shouldn't have been so tried to make so good of a job of the sky actually. It should have been more loose. It's a bit too contrived. Anyway, I hope you like that one. Of course somebody will, but probably a lot won't. It's an acquired taste, isn't it? Little things which should be done just to make things balance out on your painting more than anything. Like I can see things now that I think I would have just lightened this little roof here a little bit lighter to catch the light, you see. I'm trying to catch the light, and I think it should have been a bit lighter. Of course you'd have all the shadow going on here. Now this is a 22 by 18 which Mr. Wesson used to use. Gives you plenty of room for showing shadow on here, bits of dirt from the tree landing on your shadows, you know, and perhaps a little bit on that one. Little tricks like that must be put in. Well, I'm not putting them in. I'll leave it with you anyway. Thanks for looking in, everybody. I hope you enjoy and get something out of that one and learn a bit more every time you watch me.